Hello and welcome to the first episode of Under 2 Minutes. I will make this short, obviously. That is the whole premise of these videos. It is to give tips and tutorials on a variety of things in under 2 minutes. I know I'm not alone when I have to sift through minutes to hours of videos to find the exact thing I'm looking for. And when I have to hit that like, hit the subscribe button, I'm just here to find out information. So that's exactly what these videos are going to be about. First, I'm going to be diving into Illustrator, essentially a quick, short how-to on Illustrator. I know there's a lot to cover with it, but in short little tidbits, you'll be able to handle everything and anything Illustrator is going to throw at you. So I hope you learned something along the way. Like I said, this is just short and quick, very simple. And all right, let's jump right into it.